There are many ways to prepare eggs. One of the most important and popular methods is by boiling it in hot water, also known as cooking eggs in water. This method is considered one of the healthiest ways to prepare eggs as it doesn't require adding fats or oil during the process, thus reducing the consumed calories. By incorporating boiled eggs into a balanced diet, one can benefit from its nutritional value as the calorie content is relatively low. Boiled eggs are considered one of the most nutritious foods, as a single whole egg contains all the essential nutrients required by the body. One large boiled egg contains the following nutrients: vitamin A, 6% of the recommended daily intake; folic acid, 5% of the recommended daily intake; vitamin B5, 7% of the recommended daily intake; vitamin B12, 9% of the recommended daily intake; vitamin B2, 15% of the recommended daily intake; phosphorus, 9% of the recommended daily intake; selenium, 22% of the recommended daily intake. Boiled eggs also provide decent amounts of vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, calcium, and zinc, along with 77 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of healthy fats. Additionally, they contain various nutrients that are highly important for health. If the eggs are enriched, they will have higher amounts of omega-3 fats, vitamin A, and vitamin E. The egg yolk contains 56 milligrams of calcium, which helps strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. Benefits of boiled eggs: increasing good cholesterol, HDL. Good cholesterol, HDL, is a high-density lipoprotein in the blood. Individuals with higher levels of good cholesterol are typically at a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health issues. Consuming boiled eggs is a good way to raise good cholesterol levels in the blood. A study showed that eating 2 eggs daily for 6 weeks led to a 10% increase in good cholesterol levels in the blood. Benefits of boiled eggs for eye health. Boiled eggs are rich in antioxidants. One of the consequences of aging is the deterioration of eyesight, and there are several nutrients that help combat certain degenerative processes in the eyes. Boiled eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants with significant benefits for eye health. Studies indicate that consuming adequate amounts of these nutrients can significantly reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, common eye disorders. It's worth noting that boiled eggs are rich in vitamin A, as vitamin A deficiency is the most common cause of eyesight problems worldwide. Benefits of boiled eggs for muscles. Boiled eggs are an excellent source of protein, with one large boiled egg containing 6 grams of protein and all the essential amino acids in the correct proportions. The body is well equipped to utilize the protein in boiled eggs fully. Consuming an adequate amount of protein can aid in weight loss, muscle mass gain, lower blood pressure, and improved bone health. Therefore, the benefits of boiled eggs for bodybuilding are significant. Benefits of boiled eggs for weight loss. Boiled eggs reduce calorie intake as they help create a feeling of fullness. They aid in limiting calorie consumption, leading to weight loss. Being high in protein, they contribute to satiety. A study conducted on 30 obese women found that replacing breakfast with boiled eggs instead of bread and pastries increased feelings of fullness and led to reduced calorie intake in the subsequent hours. Benefits of boiled eggs for hair. Egg yolks contain a significant amount of vitamins that aid in hair growth, adding shine and strength while protecting against split ends and damage. The most important of these vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin, and folic acid. Egg yolks also help strengthen hair roots and follicles, making hair denser. Additionally, they are an ideal source of keratin, essential for hair and nail growth. Benefits of boiled eggs for skin. The lutein in eggs provides hydration and elasticity for skin, while the accompanying protein helps repair tissue and keeps skin firm. Egg yolks are packed with fatty acids that add moisture to the skin, while egg whites include albumin, a simple protein that tightens pores and removes excess oil. In addition to this, eggs are rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein, which have several roles in skin health. Benefits of boiled eggs for pregnant women. Boiled eggs contain an abundance of protein, essential for fetal growth and strengthening the mother's muscles. They also contain choline, which is involved in the development of the fetal brain. Benefits of boiled eggs for children. Consuming boiled eggs for children helps in the formation of red blood cells and protects against the risk of anemia due to its iron content, which is involved in the formation of red blood cells, RBCs. It also contributes to the formation of nerve cells, and one of the benefits of eggs for the nervous system is improving brain function in children. Eggs are also a rich source of omega-3, which helps improve memory. They also contain protein, which helps maintain the child's health, weight, and strengthen the immune system. Benefits of boiled eggs. Before bed, consuming one egg before sleep helps maintain blood sugar balance throughout the night. It does so by regulating blood glucose levels and reducing cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress and wakefulness during sleep. Thus, eating boiled eggs before bed aids in a good night's rest. Benefits of boiled eggs for sexual health. Consuming boiled eggs can improve sexual health as they contain vitamin B5 and vitamin B6, which increase sexual performance, enhance sexual desire in women, and delay ejaculation in men. Additionally, eating boiled eggs stimulates bodily activity and provides a substantial energy boost. Is it good to eat boiled eggs every day? The American Heart Association, AHA, says that healthy people can enjoy up to 1 egg per day, and older people with healthy cholesterol levels can have 2. However, the dietary guidelines for Americans advise that dietary cholesterol consumption should be as low as possible without compromising the nutritional adequacy in the diet. One study concluded that each additional 300 milligrams of dietary cholesterol consumed per day was associated with a 17 and 18% increased risk, respectively, of cardiovascular disease. While eggs are not especially high in saturated fat, if that's the majority of what you're eating, the saturated fat could add up. Cautions of boiled eggs. One of the most common adverse effects of egg consumption is allergies. Egg allergies are the second most prevalent type of allergy after milk allergies, cow's milk allergy, affecting a specific group of people rather than the general population. Egg allergies are more common in children from European countries, with rates ranging from 1% to 3%. Consuming eggs can also lead to food poisoning due to a specific type of bacteria called salmonella, especially when eating raw or undercooked eggs. Does boiled egg cause bloating? In normal circumstances, eating eggs does not cause bloating or stomach pain. However, this is often the case for individuals with egg allergies, accompanied by other symptoms such as chest pain, asthma, nasal congestion, skin rashes, and digestive issues like abdominal pain, bloating, vomiting, and diarrhea. Boiling eggs duration. There's no specific duration for boiling eggs. The boiling time varies according to personal preference. Some people prefer eating half-boiled eggs, which takes approximately 3 to 4 minutes in a pot of boiling water. Others opt for fully boiled eggs, requiring about 7 minutes. Additionally, some individuals choose longer boiling times of 10 to 15 minutes to ensure the yolk and egg white are well set together. Kindly check sources in the description box. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.